हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम HPTET प्रीवियस ईयर एग्जाम सीरीज़ फॉर चाइल्ड साइकोलॉजी को स्टार्ट करेंगे। ये सीरीज़ अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 500 क्वेश्चंस प्लस सीरीज़ है और इसे डिफरेंट पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया गया है। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद पार्ट 1। Insight learning theory was given by number 1 Rogers, number 2 Hall, number 3 Kohler, number 4 Skinner. Correct answer will be Kohler. Giftedness is due to number 1 genetic makeup, number 2 environmental motivation, number 3 combination of 1 and 2, number 4 psychological factor. Correct answer will be combination of both. A disorder related to language comprehension is dash. Number 1 aphasia, number 2 dyslexia, number 3 learning disability, number 4 aphasia. Correct answer will be dyslexia. Which of the following does not determine problem solving? Number 1 insight, number 2 mental set, number 3 enchantment, number 4 fixation. Correct answer will be fixation. Famous book Personality: A Psychological Interpretation 1937 is written by number 1 Alport, number 2 Fjord, number 3 Dutt, number 4 Julbin. Correct answer will be Alport. Who said that adjustment is a process, not a state? Number 1 Gates, number 2 Edwin Boring, number 3 Strang, number 4 none of the above. Correct answer will be Strang. Who said a child who deviates from the social norm of behavior is called delinquent? Number 1 Haley, number 2 Carl Burt, number 3 Cole, number 4 none of the above. Correct answer will be Haley. One of the cause of delinquency is number 1 hereditary cause, number 2 environment, number 3 home environment, number 4 all of the above. Correct answer will be all of the above. What is the IQ of a child whose chronological age is 20 and mental age is 18? Number 1 90, number 2 110, number 3 120, number 4 none of the above. Correct answer will be 90. If a child has an IQ of 140, he or she will be called number 1 gifted, number 2 extraordinary, number 3 very superior, number 4 none of the. Correct answer will be very superior. Where did child study in Vedic time? Number 1 at home, number 2 in maktabas, number 3 in Gurukul, number 4 under trees. Correct answer will be in Gurukul. What is the normal age of IQ? Number 1 over 130, number 2 90 to 110, number 3 71 to 80, number 4 less than 171. Correct answer will be 90 to 110. Education of a children with special needs should be provided. Number 1. Method developed for special children in special schools. In special schools. Number 3. By special teacher in special schools. Number 4. Along with normal child. Correct answer will be along with other normal child. Who said sense are the gateways? Who said senses are the gateways of knowledge? Number 1 Rousseau, number 3 Strang, number 3 Stanley Hall, number 4 Valentine. Correct answer will be Rousseau. Contiguity is one of the conditions of dash. Number 1 learning, number 2 teaching, number 3 1 and 2 both, number 4 none of the above. Correct answer will be learning. The place of children, the place of school in socialization of a child is dash. Number 1 through grouping, number 2 at oral stage, number 3 after family, number 4 after society. Correct answer will be after family. Why do children differ in physique, character, value, attitude, skill, etc.? Number 1 due to nourishment, number 2 due to malnutrition, number 3 due to heredity and environment, number 4 none of these. Correct answer will be due to heredity and environment. Who propounded the theory of trial and error? Number 1 Rousseau, number 2 Gestalt, number 3 Thorndike, number 4 Skinner. Correct answer will be Thorndike. Education provided to child by school is dash. Number 1 formal, number 2 informal, number 3 non-formal, number 4 all of these. Correct answer will be formal. A student wants to share his personal problem and ask for permission to call on you at your residence. What will be your response? Number 1 avoid giving time, number 2 give an appointment, number 3 ignore the child, number 4 none of these. Correct answer will be give an appointment. Psychology is the science of dash. Number 1 human behavior, number 2 animal behavior, number 3 behavior of humans, number 4 attitude. Correct answer will be human behavior of humans. S. Hollingworth is associated with her work on dash. Number 1 delinquent children, number 2 mental retarded, number 3 gifted children, number 4 none of these. Correct answer will be gifted children. The oldest method in psychology is dash. Number 1 introspection, number 2 observation, number 3 case study, number 4 clinical method. Correct answer will be introspection. How many types of intelligence were suggested by Howard Gardner? Number 1 5, number 2 7, number 3 8, number 4 6. Correct answer will be 8.